multi-cards from the 90s, Famicom editions. Ooh, plastic. Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. In today's video we have the 701 for the Famicom. This is an old school multi-game card from the 90s and I'm pretty damn curious what are we going to get. I must say it feels quite heavy, so this is something that you don't see very often with newer cards. If you buy now one from AliExpress, and these things are very flimsy, plastic, cheap and has no weight to it. So this is a really old one. Yeah. I cleaned it up, tested it out before making this video because I have this a couple of times that I'm making video talking about it, want to test it and it's not working. So it's working, we're going to test it out and let's see what we're going to get. So this is the best result I'm going to get. I've cleaned it a couple of times and this is this is just a great example to show you this can happen with old multi-cards. That their chip is broken, there's something loose, there's something wrong with it. But right, it works. We can check it out. 700 games. Alright, let's start the fridge page. Yeah. This is more like, I'm going to show you what it is. It's more like, this is stage 1 up to the last stage of Adventure Island. Let's give you a little example. It's glitching out, even in the games, but it is playable. And you can start from stage 2. The idea behind it, it's pretty neat. That is one thing to be sure. It's very awesome that for back in the days you just wanted to cheat. You don't have an action replay because yeah, it's a multi-card. And you can just easily start from level 2. So the idea behind it is pretty damn awesome. But yeah, it's not a 700 gamer one. So they're counting it as a game. So that is bullshit, of course. I never played this stage before. So let's try it. Ah. Alright, Star Soldier, Solomon Key, New Human, Flipple, Arkanoid, Tetris, Working Crew, even Flappy. And every single game has this choosing the stage. I think that all of the stages are on it, of course, because some games have more than 10 stages, so that's not possible. Otherwise it would be a 10,000 and 10,000 in one. We have pinball. So, not bad at all. So, it's a pretty unique multi-card. Super Pac-Man, Super Tank, Pro Islander. Oh, I'm very curious what they did with the Pro Islander too. Alright, let's see. Area 1. Do we get 0 lives or something like this? I'm guessing so. So they are choosing, yeah, this more for, like, we don't have any lives, it's just 1 life and let's go. So, but again, it's more like a repeat. That they add this stage select, that's okay. That's fine with me, but if you're doing this like a pro version, that is really bullocks. It is not a game, it's exactly the same game. See? Missed it out this time. Oh, I just throw away the egg. Never mind, I don't need a hammer. So this is what we're going to get. Let's go to the other side. Yeah, a lot of double games. So this is what we, yeah. Yes, a lot of double games. Yeah. There are no 700 games on it. No. Alright, for the final conclusion. It's not all bad. There are a lot of hacked version double games on it. But nevertheless, around 80 games, so that is not bad at all. There are some fun titles, but more of the same. If you look at all the older multi-cards, it's always an Adventure Island. And sometimes, if you're lucky, you're getting a Mario boss on it. But again, what I already told you, this is a multi-card from the 90s. So back at the day, this was a very big deal if you're having a card containing so many games. Because if you need to buy all of those games separate, that was a lot of money. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. Did you ever own one of these, or if you just pick it up from a flea market? You need to have, of course, a Famicom player. Listen, it depends a little bit where there's your region. I'm playing this on a Chinese HDMI system. It works perfectly and very fun to review it. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell, and if you're into gaming, check out the gaming channel. See you next time. Bye bye.